In Java, small integers from -128 to 127 are cached. That means when you compare them with equality operator, so both references can point to the same cached object, the result is true. But once you go beyond 127, like 128, Java creates new object. Then equality operator compares references, different objects, not numeric values. This makes the result false, even though the numbers look the same. So you need always use equals for comparing wrapped class. Let me give some example. As you can see, the equality operator will return true, and equals method also will return true. This one will return true because it's same cached object. But in case 128, this is outside range. New objects will be created each time. And if you will compare with equality operator, then it will be false, because different objects. Small value cache applies to other integers wrappers for byte, short, and long. For byte, it's entire range. Boolean, it's even simpler. Only two objects exist, true and false. Every out-of-box true and false point to the same instances, so it always will be true. And unlike integers, a float and double do not use cache, and in that case it will be false. New objects will be created. And always be careful with floating point equals. Precision errors can make values look equal but not actually be bitwise identical. Comparing different wrapper types can be even trickier. Equals requires the same type. In this case, you can see the compile error. And even if numeric values are equals, then the equals method will always return false because equals checks both types and values. In case of autoboxing, it will be similar as this, so autoboxing always goes through the cache rules. Best practices is to use primitives for performance and clarity, and when you need wrappers, always use equals for value comparison. That's pretty much for today. If that was helpful, then please subscribe and keep your production safe.